Purivon Pelvitone is marketed as a breakthrough solution for bladder control and pelvic health. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it just another supplement making big promises? Now, to be fair, pelvic health is a real issue, and there are legitimate ways to improve it. However, this is where the claims start to break down. What it claims to do. Purivon Pelvitone is promoted as being able to improve bladder control, strengthen pelvic floor muscles, reduce leaks and urgency. These are serious claims, especially when presented as a simple pill. What it does well, contains common supplement ingredients. Products like this often include herbs, vitamins, or minerals that may support general health, may provide minor support. Some ingredients could help with overall wellness or inflammation, which might indirectly affect comfort. Where it falls short, does not directly strengthen pelvic muscles. This is the key issue. Pelvic floor strength comes from exercises like Kegels, not from taking a supplement. No strong clinical evidence. There's no solid proof that supplements like this can significantly improve bladder control or pelvic strength. Overhyped marketing. Claims like restore bladder control naturally or fix leaks fast are exaggerated and not medically proven. So, does Purivon Pelvitone actually work? Short answer, not in the way it's advertised. You might notice slight general wellness support, but you will not get stronger pelvic muscles from a pill, a real fix for incontinence. Purivon Pelvitone is not necessarily fake, but it is heavily overhyped. It does not replace proven methods like pelvic floor training or medical treatment. Purivon Pelvitone equals real supplement, limited results. If you're expecting a simple fix for bladder control, this is unlikely to deliver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.